8th standard student, let us start from page number 178, fourth question. The diagonal of quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendicular dropped on it from remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So you can see here the diagonal of quadrilateral shaped field is diagonal and perpendiculars. So that means this quadrilateral has divided into two triangles, and we have to calculate the area of this. So two triangle, base is given, so base into height, and we will add, so we will get the answer. Let us start. See here I have drawn the figure. Now from the figure, area of triangle ABD, half into base into height. Base is BD because perpendicular is drawn on BD, and height is AE. So half into 24 into 13. So you will get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 12 into 13. That means 156 meter square. Now area of triangle BCD. So BCD. Base is this, perpendicular is drawn here. So base is this. So BD into CF. That means 24 into 8. Half BD into CF, 24 into 8 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 24 into 4, 96 meter square. Now total area, that means we have to calculate area of quadrilateral ABCD. So area of quadrilateral ABCD, that means area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. 156 plus 96, that means 252 square meter or meter square. The diagonals of rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. So area of rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. D1 is 7.5, D2, so you can calculate. Now next is find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one of its diagonals is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal. So this question I am solving on the green board. Let us start. Children, you can solve this question also. Base is same, so you can directly apply the formula. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, that means base is this, so half into this base and height H1 plus H2 and this diagonal. So half into D in the bracket H1 plus H2. By this method also you can directly solve. But practically I have solved. So first whatever thought in my mind it came, according to that I have solved. Now see in the next question, rhombus ABCD. Height is given, diagonal is given, side is given. But we know that rhombus is also a parallelogram. Same way. Square is also a rectangle, but rectangle is not a square. Same way rhombus is also a parallelogram, but because it's fulfilled all the properties of parallelogram. So then area of rhombus is equal to base into height. So for base CD, all sides are equal and height will be 4.8 centimeter. So when you will multiply, you will get 24 centimeter square. I have written here meter square by mistake, but you will write centimeter square. Okay. Now we know that according to formula, area of rhombus is equal to half D1 into D2. So area of rhombus already we have calculated. 24 is equal half D1, diagonal is given 8 and D2. So 24, 2 fours are 8. So we can write or 4 D2 equal to 24. So D2 equal to 24 upon 4. That means 4 6 are 24. So diagonal is 6 centimeter. If you know other way, you can solve in other way also. Alternate method also you can apply. Now 7th question. The floor of building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter, 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is ₹4. So simple way. Tile is in rhombus shape. Diagonals are given for one tile. So we will find the area of one tile, then we'll find the area of 3000 tiles, and then change into meter square because it is given in the centimeter, and then multiply for one tile's cost and then for 3000, and we'll get answer. Okay, let us start. Now from the figure you can see diagonals are given for one tile. So we will write from the figure area of one tile. Why we are applying this formula half divided into 2? Because the tile is in rhombus shape. So half divided into d2, 45 into 30 divided by 2. 45 into 30 when you multiply divided by 2, you will get 30 divided by 2. So answer will be 675 centimeter square. Area of 3000 tiles is equal to 3000 into 675. When you will multiply, area of one tile is this, area of 3000 tiles will be this. Now see here, the cost is given for 1 square meter area, and we are having area in centimeter square. So we will write, see here, 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 meter square by exponents rule, and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 into 100, 10,000 centimeter square. So we will write here, since 10,000 centimeter square is equal to 1 meter square, therefore this value we will write centimeter square is equal to this value, we will write in numerator, this will be in the denominator, and this again we will write in the numerator. So this 3 zeros cancelled by this 3 0, 1 0. You can see in the denominator tenths is there, so before one digit we will put decimal. Because 2025 ones are 2025, and before one digit we will put decimal. Now after that we will multiply this value by 4. Now see here, the cost of polishing for 1 meter square is equal to rupees 4. Then the cost of polishing for 202.5 meter square is equal to, or area word also you can add here. So 202.5 into 4. When you will multiply, before one digit you will put decimal, so rupees 810. And so the cost of polishing for the floor is rupees 810. Eighth question, Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. You can see it's along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. That means its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. That means whatever side of the road is just double, you will get the side of this along the river. So we will assume that if it is x, then it will be 2x. Okay. If the area of this field is this and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. That means this side we have to calculate. Let us start. Now first we assume, let the side along the road be x in meter. Then the side along the river be 2x in meter. Then the area of trapezium shaped field is half into h, parallel sides, the addition of opposite parallel sides. So along the road, assuming we already assumed this x and this along the river 2x. So area is given in the question, 10,500 is equal to half, and height is given 100, x plus 2x. Now 100 divided by 2, 50 times. So, or we can write this value in the left hand side and this in right hand side. So x and 2x. Here 1 we will assume. So x plus 2x, 3x. So 50 into 3x is equal to 10,500, and 53 is 150. So 10,500 divided by 150. So x, that means 70 meter. So the side along the road is 70 meter. Then the side along the river is, or equal sign in place of is you will write 2x. So 2 into 70, 140 meter.